MASTS is about 9 years old now, and the first cohort of students that joined our graduate school are now fully fledged professionals, and some of them are members of the organisations we now deal with. But also we have been celebrating the fact that we attracted NERC funding for a doctoral training partnership, and this year we introduced 22 new students to members of our community across Scotland to study aspects of environmental ecology, and that's the Super DTP, which is the Scottish Universities Partnership for Environmental Research. And that brings more than £5 million into the training of graduates over the next 4 years, with a new intake every year. And we will be able to think about where that training is going, what the challenges of the future are going to be, how these graduates should be equipped to try and address some of those challenges. And so that's a really exciting time, and it's been fantastic that this meeting, which is a 3-day meeting, we're able to use that to induct our new colleagues, and for them to understand the breadth of MASTS and to begin to establish their own networks, which will serve them well into the future.
MASTS has gone from strength to strength in just 9 years. It's a relatively short span in the great scheme of things. It's made quite an impact. Year 10, 10th birthday next year, another annual science meeting, bigger and better things for the future?
Definitely. We're thinking about a themed mask ball for that one, instead of our normal Ceilidh. But yes, I think 10 years of annual science meetings is certainly something to celebrate. I remember the first one, and actually it didn't happen because it was supposed to be in Oban, and the snow came down and all transport was cancelled. So the potential first meeting wasn't auspicious. But when you think back to that and see what we have now, we don't know how many individual participants we had this year. Last year it was 400. This year it seems as successful as that, and we're certainly getting colleagues from more than Scotland arriving. We had a Russian delegation today, and we have also had people from down south and abroad. And so the brand, I guess, for MASTS and for the MASTS ASM has been growing, but it's not really about, this kind of just the attraction of press or just getting that name out there. It's what it does within the community, and the fact that it brings scientists together to look for opportunities to work together, to promote interdisciplinary work, and to meet the grand challenges that are rising. And as we know, Scotland has declared a climate emergency, and a lot of our response to the environment is to do with the marine system and the resources we exploit. So MASTS is becoming more critical in terms of the science that we can deliver to support government and the development of policy to help protect the next generations and the resources that we take from the planet without damaging it.